In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom images in Midjourney. Midjourney runs inside Discord, so everything we're about to do happens right there. Start by opening your Discord app on desktop or in the browser. Make sure you're in a server or chat where you can view your Midjourney images. If you already have an image visible in the conversation, you're in the right place. If not, just navigate to a recent Midjourney result so you can access the zoom controls. Once you're looking at a Midjourney image, you'll notice a row of buttons that appear beneath it. This is where the zoom tools live. Choose your preferred zoom option, then click Zoom Out 2x. This command expands the visible scene around your current image, effectively pulling the camera back to reveal more context. It doesn't just stretch the picture, it requests a new outpainted version that keeps your subject while widening the frame. If you don't immediately see the zoom options, give Discord a moment to load the buttons, or scroll slightly to bring them into view. After clicking Zoom Out 2x, Midjourney will generate the expanded version. When it's ready in the chat, click the image itself. That opens Discord's image viewer, which makes it easier to inspect details at a larger size without the rest of the chat getting in the way. This is helpful for checking edges, composition, and how the expansion blends into the original. Now use your mouse to interact with the image. Right-click the image to zoom out, then right-click again to zoom back in. Think of it like a quick toggle. One right-click moves you out so you can see the broader scene, and another brings you closer to the details. If you're on a trackpad or a touchscreen, you can use pinch gestures to accomplish the same thing. On some systems, you can also use your mouse wheel to adjust zoom, but the right-click toggle is a simple, predictable way to control your view. A couple of quick tips as you work. Zoom out 2x is great for expanding the canvas while keeping the main subject in frame. If your scene looks off, try running Zoom Out 2x again from the new result to build more context in stages. And remember, the viewer zoom is just for inspection. It doesn't change resolution. If you plan to save the image, download it after you're satisfied with how the expanded composition looks. That's it. Open Discord, use Zoom Out 2x to widen the scene, click the image to view it larger, and right-click to move between zoom levels. Follow these steps and you'll be navigating Midjourney zooms with confidence.